Look at this handsome superhero. Are you a superhero?
No, no.
Not now.
But I don't want to stop this robot.
You gonna stop the robot?
Yeah.
Go stop the robot, superhero Chini, go!
No, no.
Not now. You gotta stop the robot.
No, no.
I need to be rescued. Go stop the robot. Stop the robot. Where are you going?
No. Stop this robot.
Come here. I can't see you. Oh my goodness, look at the handsome big boy. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Tell everybody, what's your name?
Adrian.
Very good.
Check it here, man.
Oh my goodness. Wow, you jumped really super high.
I don't know, check it here.
Go stop the robot.
No, no.
Where's the robot?
But this station.
In the kitchen?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
It was on this train.
On the train?
So this train's for myself.
The train by yourself?
Yeah, never stop this robot.
Oh, but I can't see you. You need to come over here.
Stop this robot.
Okay, come.
Good.
Go, superhero Chini, go. Wow. You were fast. Oh my goodness.
I'm the fastest one and stop this robot.
Fast and running the robot?
Yeah. We'll stop this robot.
Who's this?
Boo. Check here.
Is that superhero?
No, this boo boo.
That's Chini. That's not Boo Boo.
This Heaney.
It's Chini.
Mom.
All right.
That's delivery.
Special delivery?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, Chini. I have a special delivery. Oh my goodness. Can you tell me what this is?
A present.
A present for me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Are you my super sweet big boy? Yeah?
I stop with this robot.
Are you my big boy?
I stop with this robot,
Can you help
Mom.
Mama open it?
No, I do open it.
You didn't go touch.
Wow.
Let me see what's in there.
Toys.
I love it. This is perfect. How did you know I wanted all these cars? Huh?
I put all the cars in the bag.
You put all the cars in the bag? I know you did.
But
Wow.
then